Welcome back to Musings. I'm Kathy, and this is the place where I share a little wisdom from the other side of the empty nest. Here I talk about faith, simplicity, and what it means to live intentionally in our senior years. Whether you're downsizing, decluttering, or just looking for a slower, more meaningful pace, you're in good company here. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's chat about what really matters. Today I'm talking about something I've seen happen many times, especially as couples reach that 17th, 18th, or even 20th anniversary mark. The kids are grown or mostly independent. The busy years of parenting start to settle, and suddenly you look across the dinner table and think, who is this man I married? It's not that you don't love him, it's just that you've both changed. And when life slows down, you notice the gaps that were easy to overlook in the busyness. This isn't unusual. In fact, it's incredibly common. For years, you've been raising children together, running a household, surviving school schedules, work stress, and maybe even some health battles. And now, without all that noise and motion, there's space to notice how distant things may have become. But here's the good news. The season doesn't have to feel lonely. It can actually be a fresh start. So when we focus so much of our energy on being parents, caretakers, and providers, it's easy for our roles as husband and wife to quietly slide into the background. Add to that the natural changes that come with aging, evolving interests, and shifting priorities. And it makes sense that many couples feel a little out of sync. But marriage is more than just raising kids or managing life. It's about connection, friendship, intimacy, and those things can be rebuilt no matter how long it's been. So here are some practical ways you can begin reconnecting as husband and wife in this season. You can start with an honest conversation. Just start small. Ask each other how you're feeling about this next chapter. What would you like life to look like? You might be surprised at how refreshing it is just to talk about your hopes again. Then create new routines together. This could be something as simple as taking a daily walk, sitting down for coffee together in the morning, or setting aside one night a week just for the two of you. Or do something new together. Try a hobby you've never done before. Take a trip you've put off, or serve together at church or in your community. Shared purpose can rekindle connection. Then you can also pray together. It's not always easy if you've fallen out of the habit, but praying as a couple can soften hearts and rebuild trust. Even a short prayer at bedtime or before meals can open spiritual intimacy. And finally, look for laughter again. Don't underestimate the power of fun. Revisit old memories that made you laugh, or just try being silly together again. Laughter is glue. I love what Isaiah 43:19 says. See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do you not perceive it? God is always in the business of making things new. And that includes your marriage. You're not stuck. You're not too far gone. There is still beauty ahead, and it starts with taking that first step toward each other again. So if you're sitting across from your husband today and wondering how to reconnect, take heart. You're not alone. There's no shame in feeling a little lost. This is just a new season, one that can be rich with rediscovery if you invite the Lord into it. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day and God bless you.